Welcome to Kiddo Fun.
Emma and Noah's little garden surprise. One bright sunny morning, Emma and her little brother Noah ran into their backyard to play.
Yay!
As they played near the fence, Emma noticed something tiny on the ground. It was a tiny seed. "Can we plant it?" Noah asked excitedly. Emma smiled and nodded. Together, they dug a tiny hole and gently placed the little seed inside. Then Noah quickly looked around. "Where are the flowers?" he asked. Emma giggled. "It doesn't grow right away." So every morning, Emma and Noah watered the little seed. The next day, Noah ran outside. He looked closely. Nothing. The day after that. Still nothing. Noah sighed. Maybe the seed forgot to grow. Emma gently smiled. Sometimes good things need time. The next morning Noah ran outside again. And suddenly, gasp! A tiny green sprout peeked out from the ground. Their little seed was growing. Day by day they cared for it together. And little by little, it grew bigger. Soon beautiful flowers bloomed across their little garden. Noah laughed happily. "We helped it grow." Emma smiled and gave Noah a hug. Because sometimes the most wonderful things happen when we learn to be patient. The end.